Hi, my name is Melanie and today I am showing you one of my favorite quick appetizer, crab cake stuffed mushrooms. This is gonna be super simple and delicious, and make sure you make a lot when you have some good friends and family over. So here I have some Wegmans crab cake ready to make, ready to go. A big box of Bella mushroom, baby Bella, because they are small, and a packet of mozzarella cheese. You can get a full string, full fat and everything. My husband got this, and that's what I'm used to cook. And very quick and easy. Get the shredded one, dump it in there. Here I have four. These are about 6-ish or 6.50 a piece, but they're so ready. I mean, it's just like a quick, if you have a party, pop, 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 everything's ready in about 20-30 minutes. You got this massive appetizer for everybody. It has a lot of crabs in there. I'm going to use 3 and save that for the crab cake sandwich later. Don't forget to check it out. So, like I said, it's quick and simple. Tear this baby up. Baby Bella mushroom. Why am I getting this baby Bella mushroom? Well, my husband got this, but it's small. It's about 1 inch or so. Why is as big as your mouth? If you're a baby, then you might have to cut it up, but wash it and just pop that little thing out, the little snub or the foot, the body, the stick, pop that little chunky thing out like so, and don't throw it away. Chop, 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 and mince it up. You can throw this into your food processor, one of those things that you can chop up real quick, or you can chop like me. So chop them all and dump all in there. Don't throw those away. That is easy. Nothing go to waste. Good thing about making this at home is that you are going to stuff as much as you want in there, and the cheese has enough salt, and the crab cake, I'm pretty sure it has a lot of salt and everything, so I'm not adding anything else. You can add some extra pepper and stuff, but use your fork, your spoon, or your hand after you got frustrated enough. So this is what I'm going to use to bake it in. This is a ceramic pot or baking pan meatloaf, or we use to bake stuff, or you can use this glassed one, or just do whatever you have. And here we go. Let's the stuff begin. So this one I inspired from the, every time I went to Olive Garden, I would call out a portion of this, and man, they gave me nothing but tiny little bit of the stuff on the top. You see how I stuffed this sucker? Oh my god, it's bigger than the mushroom itself. You can use all this for 2 packets of a mushroom, or you can cut the cheese or the crab back. But hey, you're doing it at home, you stuff as much as you want in there. In my case, I stuff a lot because it's gonna be so gooey, and it's so good. The combination with the mushroom is soft and it's a little chewy. Bella mushroom has a little chewy texture, and just that. Pop them all in there. Pop, pop, pop. I just have these all done at once, and when my family or my guests come over, I just bake them slowly, and the ceramic keep it warm, and the glass keep it warm, so that's why I use to keep it in there. So I'm gonna use about I'm gonna bake about 400 degree, and pop these in here for about 20 to 25 minutes. It depends on your oven, so don't walk away too far. Let that go for about 20 to 25 minutes, and then take it and then put it on high, broil to get the top kind of brown a little for about 3 minutes. As you can see, some of the mushroom cheese already start to like brown up. everything in the crab should be already cooked, but the mushroom is not. So this way the mushroom isn't too cooked, and everything should have enough heat and time to melt and incorporate in there. And these things are hot. I dropped it real quick. But yeah, take these out. And I gotta tell you, you need some patience for these babies. I did not have patience. After I videos and everything, this sucker was still hot. And it was still gooey and chewy. I mean, it's so good. It was still hot because of the ceramic container there, or baking dish there. So so take your time, you know. That's why at the restaurant they leave it in the baking dish, and they serve it when, you know, for you, and it's continue to stay warm, and the cheese is still kind of warm. So take it out, take them out, and I don't know why I crushed it in half. It was so hot. It's still not formed, but have you some patience. Don't be like me eating, trying to dig in too fat. It was super hot. It was super hot. And if you wait for like 5 minutes, or, you know, within 10 minutes, it should be ready to form and hold its warm and thickness, and the everything hold together. You see that smoke there? But after a while, I kind of like, maybe I do need to wait. But yeah, have your guests over, you know, stuff this baby up ready, put it in the fridge, and, you know, by the time they come over, look at that, they should be ready, and pop those in your mouth. Your guests will be impressed, super quick, and you can stuff as much as you want. We love this stuff. Should pop in there. That's how you're supposed to eat it. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. The rest of the crab cake will go to my crab cake sandwich, so don't forget to check that out. Video is coming up next. I hope you enjoy this quick and simple and delicious crab cake stuffed mushroom recipe. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up and share with your stuffed mushrooms lovers or appetizer lovers. Subscribe if you haven't for weekly Vietnamese, Asian home cook, dining, and more. Have a great day, and bye-bye.